Join me as I take on the challenge of building my very own off-grid solar system right here in Australia in 2024. In this video, you'll learn how to build your own off-grid solar system tailored for the Australian climate in 2024, empowering you to become energy independent. Rising energy costs and unreliable power supply are a harsh reality for many Australians, and it's not surprising that people are looking for alternative energy solutions. Off-grid solar systems are becoming increasingly popular, and it's easy to see why. They allow you to generate your own clean energy, reduce your reliance on the grid, and save money on your electricity bills. But the benefits don't stop there. With an off-grid solar system, you'll also be protected from power outages and price hikes, giving you a sense of security and control over your energy consumption. Plus, you'll be doing your part for the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. The thought of transitioning to off-grid solar can be daunting, especially if you're not familiar with the technology. But with the right guidance, it's more achievable than you think. That's why we are going to explore the key components you need to get started, from solar panels and batteries to inverters and mounting systems. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to design and build a system that meets your energy needs. We'll explore the key components you need, such as solar panels, batteries, and inverters, and how to assess your energy needs to design a system that works for you. It's essential to get this right, as it will determine the performance and efficiency of your off-grid solar system. We'll also touch on the importance of considering your energy usage patterns, appliances, and the size of your system. It might seem like a lot to take in, but trust me, it's worth it. The rewards of energy independence and cost savings are well worth the effort. The most exciting part is when you see the total cost of your DIY off-grid solar system and the potential savings on your electricity bills, which could be life-changing. Imagine being able to power your home, farm, or business without relying on the grid and enjoying significant savings on your energy costs. It's a game changer, and it's more achievable than you think. We'll walk through some real-life examples and crunch the numbers so you can get a clear understanding of the costs and benefits involved. The potential savings are substantial, and it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and security that comes with generating your own energy. With an off-grid solar system, you'll be able to power your appliances, lights, and devices without worrying about the grid, and you'll be doing your part for the environment. Plus, you'll be part of a growing community of like-minded individuals who are taking control of their energy consumption. As we wrap up this video, we've covered the essential steps and components for building your own off-grid solar system, empowering you to take control of your energy consumption. Remember, it's a journey worth taking. The benefits of off-grid solar are undeniable, and it's an investment that will pay for itself many times over. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on renewable energy and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.